This incredibly delicious cube radish kimchi is perfect for anyone and requires just a few simple ingredients. I'll guide you through each step and you'll have it ready in 30 minutes. We are using Korean radish, but daikon radish can also be used. Start by peeling off the skin of the Korean radish. If your radish is super fresh, you could also make the kimchi with the skin on. Next, cut off the ends. Cut it into thick rings. And chop those rings into cubes. In a large mixing bowl, add the radish. And sprinkle with some salt. Let it rest for about 15 minutes. And we're going to reserve for about 3 tablespoons of radish liquid. Rinse off the salt. And drain. Slice half apple into large pieces. You can also use Asian pear. Cut half onion into big slices. It helps add more depth and aroma. Slice a piece of ginger. Chop some scallions. In a food processor, combine the apple, onion, ginger, garlic, sugar. Sugar helps to balance the taste and help with the fermentation. The reserved radish liquid from earlier. And fish sauce. You can also replace it with soy sauce. Blend everything into a smooth paste. Then gently stir in the Korean hot pepper flakes, gochugaru, which you can find in the Korean supermarkets or on Amazon. Finally, add in the scallions and mix everything together. Combine the radish with the kimchi paste. Mix until the radish is well coated. The radish kimchi can be eaten right away, but for an authentic fermented flavor, place it in an airtight container. Let it sit at room temperature for approximately 6 hours. Then transfer it to the fridge and continue fermenting for another 3 to 7 days. The cold temperature will slow down the fermentation process, and the kimchi can be kept in the fridge for 1 to 2 months. This is absolutely delicious. I love it. I hope that you have also enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!